think I'm good. I'm not comfortable though. Ugh. How am I gonna get that box all the way over there on the other side of the bed? It's Valentine's Day tomorrow, guys. It's going down. That hit the spot. I still don't know how to get that box. Hey, can you come and do me a favor, please? Come to the room. Can you give me that box? I'm pregnant.
You call me for your box?
I can't reach over there.
Yeah, listen, old man.
Thank you. Can you bring me a knife?
I got it. A knife, like a butter knife? Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. What do you have one?
Chanta. What's up?
Strawberries and Nutella. Thank you, sir. I wanted a daughter. But I'm really, really spoiled. I want to eat another strawberry before I start. Okay. So, this one has nuts. And then we have the red line, the white line, all chocolate. And then obviously these two are nuts up here. I haven't tried a nut. Let's try a nut. I love anything chocolate with nuts in it, but I want to eat another one. The all chocolate one. I want another one. The white chocolate. That's enough. I'll save some for later. Alright, y'all, so welcome back to a new video. Today, I don't have my Invisalign in, so hopefully I can Alright, so these are really pretty. So this is more of a neutral tone palette, which I love. I can't always do a crazy eye look. But leave-in cream weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects for a touchably soft hair that's full of shine. Ideal for fine to medium hair. Use it. Work through damp hair. Use on dry hair to tame flyaways or refresh dry ends. I don't know about these because I don't know about any like leave-in conditioners because my hair gets super oily super fast, and so to leave in something that's going to, I feel like, make it that much harder to keep my hair not oily. Does that make sense? I don't know if I would try this. I'm probably gonna give this away. I've tried leave-in conditioners before and they've never worked for me. I end up feeling like my hair is dirty when it's like day 2 hair, and with day 2 hair, even my like super thin hair, I can still feel like, you know, fine with it. But when I've tried these, I just feel dirty. And I've barely started doing the whole like don't wash your hair for 3 days thing. I'm barely getting used to that. Before, I would literally wash my hair every single day because I felt dirty. But now that I know that, you know, it's not good for your scalp or for your hair to wash it every day. I don't do it every day. I do 2 or 3 days. And I'm getting to 4, so I'm at like 3 days, and I don't want to mess with this thing. Okay. The next product is the Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge, an edgeless, reusable high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. This retails for $21. The most expensive sponge I've ever purchased has been the Real Techniques for $7. Oh. This is really hard. Maybe if I wet it? Like, let me show you guys the difference between the sponge that I use almost every single time I do my makeup and this thing. $1, $21. If you can't feel the texture through the camera by me doing this, you're a fucking liar, because yes, you can. This is clearly softer. Like, I'm doing one finger. It's like, it's a marshmallow. This is a marshmallow. And this is not. Okay, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna try it. Alright, so yeah, $21 for this thing. The last product that I got is the, oh, this is cool, the EVIO Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. These biodegradable multitasking EVIO Skin and Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. These retail for $10, and 15 wipes come in this little package. I don't know if I can use these right now. Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully curated with EVIO to provide a unique hemp-based product. The Aurora certified cannabis sativa oil used in all collaborative EVIO Skin and Aurora products is 100% grown in Canada. As with all Aurora products, you can trust that these are label tested or are lab. As with all Aurora products, you can trust that these are lab tested and have received the Aurora seal of approval. Natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free for all skin types. I can use these, right? I'm pregnant. I'm 6 months pregnant. I can use these. It should be fine to use these. In the front it says plus cannabis sativa seed oil, balancing, multifunctional, anti-fatigue. I should be able to use these. It's not like it's like THC in your system, right? I mean, it's cannabis sativa seed oil. Let me Google it. I'm gonna go to the Boxycharm website. There's like 120 pages of reviews on the Boxycharm website, and a lot of them have like 5 hearts. I mean, they're mixed. There's 1,192 total, but none of them say anything about being pregnancy safe. But I think this is really cool. Like, I want to try them. I can't wait to try them. I just can't do it now. Or I don't want to do it now. Just cause. Alright, so that is all that I got in my Boxycharm. Honestly, guys, like, I love getting Boxycharm. I really like it. I know there's a lot of other subscriptions out there that you can get, but I mean, this is the first one that I've ever used. Maybe I'll get another one later on and like put this one on hold, but I like getting makeup in the mail. I don't like purchasing makeup in the mail because I like to like have it right then and there, but this is cool. And I like not knowing what I'm getting. And I like that it turns me on to new products. I think I said this in my January Boxycharm, but not as eloquently. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this February Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.